Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of high-performance blending with the BATERUN Professional Countertop Blender, a powerhouse designed to support your healthy lifestyle with ease. This commercial-grade blender boasts a robust 2,200-watt motor and features 8 hardened stainless steel blades, effortlessly crushing frozen fruits and blending smoothies to perfection. Safety is a top priority with its intelligent design, ensuring the blender operates only when the jar is correctly placed on the base, while a convenient timer allows you to preset blending times for optimal results. The 68-ounce BPA-free Tritan jar is perfect for whipping up large batches of creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies, making it ideal for both family gatherings and commercial use. With its all-in-one capabilities, this versatile appliance can create everything from smoothies and milkshakes to sauces and dressings, all backed by a reassuring 2-year warranty. Plus, the detachable blade base makes cleaning a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations and less time on cleanup. Experience the perfect blend of power, safety, and convenience with the BATERUN Professional Blender, your new kitchen essential. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.